koutou, called Gabby here. She is Gabby.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, called Ben here. He is Ben. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Raapa, the 21st of June. We are reporting to you for the wonderful
Queenstown! Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is hoa, which is te reo for friend.
What hoe are you playing with at playtime?
Ka pai, on to the health and safety news.
Hi VIZ vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
A reminder to stay off the muddy patches of the grass as the mud travels into the classrooms.
The ropes are out of bounds as they need some parts replaced. Please stay off these until you are told they can be used again.
We would like to wish Sophie McCullum a late happy birthday, who turned 6.
And a huge happy birthday to Kira Jenkins in room 6, who is turning 8 today.
Here's today's notices.
Please make
sure you wait in your classroom for the heat-up tray to be delivered to your class by the heat-up monitors.
You are not to go into the heat-up room or stop the monitors on the way to delivering the heat-up trays. Reminder that the library is open today.
A reminder that tomorrow is bakery order day. Be sure to get your orders in the morning.
Senior Kapahaka is on today in room 8 at lunch.
A reminder that there is junior chest on in the library at lunch.
Now we are having the best time away. Here are a few photos to share with you. Watch this space for more to come.
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Hurry down, stay sharp, Winton School.